The Ductless Directory proudly announces its newest member, Climate Control Heating and Cooling. Climate Control is a premier ductless contractor serving the greater Kansas City, Missouri market. Going ductless is the anytime, anywhere solution. If you're ready to go ductless, the first step is to hire the right ductless company. Hiring the right contractor is more important than price, brand, or any other factor. When you turn to the professionals at Climate Control, you can rest assured that they're ductless trained and certified, NATE certified, and consumer top rated. Also, look for the mark of excellence. Daikin is the highest level of training a contractor can earn. Daikin dealers offer the broadest product selection, the highest efficiencies, and provides the best warranty in the business. Nobody knows ductless like Climate Control Heating and Cooling of Kansas City, Missouri. Climate Control will find the perfect ductless system for your home, ensure a professional installation, and help you with rebates and incentives. Going ductless is easy with Climate Control, now serving the greater Kansas City, Missouri area, including Independence, Liberty, Blue Springs, Excelsior Springs, and as far north as Kearney, and as far south as Lee's Summit, Missouri.